October has not been cancelled yet. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. We told you everything about the drama we had with Bitcoin in previous videos, so you have to watch them all, and how we were expecting this October to bring us to heaven, and instead of that, it was hell. Why is that? Well, in any case, Ran Neuer is telling us that October isn't cancelled. It just hasn't started yet. So once more, Bitcoin asking us for being patient, waiting for October bull run, like here Mr. Bean is doing. Darling, don't be worried. October is here. Sure, it's a scientific fact according to Bitcoin Archive, so buckle up. Also, what about this guy from McDonald's? They don't know October is here. Q4 is very bullish. Hopefully so. We'll see about that. We go to the chart in the daily. You can see that, well, $60,000 seems to be right now the bottom, but we went under that line, 59,875. So this might not be a good sign right now, even though we see green candles, and today we're going up 61,600. That's the record as I'm recording this video. And also, if we go to the weekly, well, you can see that we're still ahead of this blue moving average and also this yellow line. But we have the engulfing flum candle right now. That means that we might go south. That's not a good idea. Also, CryptoCon is telling us that actually the real bull run for Bitcoin, the real bull market, begins in 2 months. So we have to wait till November the 28th. This is a very important date. As you can see in this chart, this is the day of the first halving for Bitcoin, 28th. And you can see from that point, we have started some cycles. We always talk about 4-year cycles. Well, we have those cycles, but according to that data, 28th of November has been so many times the top and the bottom of the cycle, or mostly it, some weeks before, some weeks after. So according to that right now, would be in this red year, as we have previous red years, and we will be just ready for the beginning of the next bull run. Will coincide with November the 28th. We'll see about that, and if you want more information about this, we created a video 1 year ago telling you how important was 28th November, how must be the most important day for trading in Bitcoin. So if you want, you can go there and ask myself 1 year ago what it's all about this cycle. But also, I told you in that video that there's one exception, and that is 2015. At that point, we went down. The bottom wasn't in, so it was not on the 28th. If we do a similar thing right now, we might go down till January the 9th. This is not the narrative that we want. We want the last quarter for Bitcoin going up, but we have to study all these scenarios. This is the exception that we don't want Bitcoin to repeat. It's true that this was a bear market. Maybe we are not in the same situation, but you have to consider also that one. The market still's in the fear. Maybe you are right now with the information I'm providing you, and I want to provide you more bad news. Dollar is going up, so that's a bad thing. We have a gap still in the future CME, $54,000. And more terrible than that is that if we compare what we are doing right now with the moving average here, remember previous videos, watch it if you hadn't. Well, you can see that we went down once we broke that yellow line, and we were like flat for several days, the next 4 days. This is exactly what we are doing right now. So if we are following this path, be ready for more downside will be dropping till October the 11th. We'll see about that. This is not the idea that we were following in the yellow lines, but we might draw a new one with a drop and a recovery again to this line. We'll see about that. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. We are just considering all the data that we have. The stock market is not doing bad. And here, the Kobayashi letter is telling us that stocks are rising like we have avoided recession. Gold prices are rising like we are heading into a recession. Oil prices are rising like we are heading towards World War III. Bond prices are falling like geopolitical tensions are easing. Crypto is falling like risk appetite has disappeared. And tech stocks are rising like risk appetite is in all-time highs. Consider this information. A Standard & Poor's 500 rallied 20.8% in the first 3 quarters of 2024, posting its biggest gains since 1997. Since the October 2023 low, the index is up a massive 40% or more than 4 times the average annual return. This makes this market feels unstoppable. That's for certain. And what about Bitcoin? Well, right now, October in the red, and we're still considering what's going to happen. Remember previous videos? I told you about the percentages that we might follow. And today, we go to these charts. Remember that you only find all this information I provide you here on Fan on the Right Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo. So smash the like button because it's so many crazy charts that you enjoy always for free. No courses and nothing, no newsletter, nothing at all whatsoever. Well, September, great month for Bitcoin history books. And we can see that after that, well, here in 2016, the paradigm that I love, we started the rally. The same happened here in 2012 when we started going up, but consider also that in 2020 we had a red October. So again, and as always, it can go up, down, or remain flat. So we'll see about October, and we will compare Octobers with past Octobers in the years that we prefer. You can see 2 times in the green, just once, a little rest in October. So might be it. Maybe now we need one of those breaks. Also here in November 14, we had October 14, we had a red one. So yeah, we told you today about this possible scenario. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. But any case, if we go to the monthly chart, you can see that $60,000 is the line that we are almost, well, maybe can say that is the line that we respect all the time. And if we go zooming out to the past, you can see that the point that we were playing with here around $58,000, $59,000 was very important points of resistance or support in the previous all-time highs for Bitcoin. So we're still on track. We can still say that we are building just the foundations for the next bull run. Why not? Consider we have good news like this one from Cointelegraph. Franklin Templeton submitted a proposal for a Bitcoin and Ethereum index ETF to the US SEC. This ETF would be the first to combine Bitcoin and Ethereum in a single fund pending approval. Also, we told you in our channel, CryptoNews on social media, X Twitter, that HBO now is going to release in October the 8th a new documentary, and they are going to tell you who is Satoshi Nakamoto. Allegedly, we'll see about that. The bubbles are in the green, and it's crazy that FTT is going up 26% as time of this recording. Remember that we told you about how we are going to have money back from this FTT, FTX fiasco and disaster. So maybe the token is going up because of all of this. We will keep on researching and we will tell you in the next crypto news. Right now, we found the creators of Binance and FTX here with this AI video where you have the history of Bitcoin, Sam Altman-Fried, also the pizza guy, Elon Musk, our favorite troll, and some other personalities, Michael Saylor, from the crypto sphere. There you have also some memes like the board apps. You have also this frog, Pepe, and Vitalik Buterin, now with a girlfriend. Very interesting stuff that you can learn about in our other channel, Inteligencia Artificial, con Rodrigo Arnedo. Smash the like button also in our videos about AI. And if you want to follow the crypto market, remember dextools.io is the best app for doing that. You have the link in the description below, and you have the last opportunity for buying tickets 2-for-1 for Dexfer Festival Barcelona for 5th October 2024. There you have the best music. Also, you have a lot of community. You can talk about bear market or bull market. You can learn international panels, international people telling you everything about Bitcoin, and party and networking and some fun and everything that you need to have. Find link in the description below for buying those tickets. Ethereum is trying to keep on track with the line we drew so many months ago, so maybe good for Ethereum. But remember that Ethereum versus Bitcoin, we might still find some downtrend before going up according to our ideas in previous videos. And for some other cryptocurrencies, Brazil largest crypto exchange Mercado partnered with Ripple to offer cross-border payments. So good for XRP. We told you in previous videos about how Bitwise officially filed with SEC for a spot XRP ETF, but the SEC has appealed a court decision that fined Ripple Labs approximately $125 million for improperly selling its XRP tokens. So they still fighting. They still wanted just to say those were a security. We'll see about that. In any case, we are safer buying just Bitcoin and Ethereum, in my opinion, and keeping them on a treasure device that right now does have reduced prices. If you buy a Trezor Model 1, well, it's just $49, and the Trezor Model T is just $129. Any case, I have to be honest, the Trezor Safe 3 or the Trezor Safe 5. I created 2 videos so you can compare them all. Link in the description below. If you use the link, you help us. Thank you very much. Also, you help us and you help yourself if you use a link in the description below for using coin tracking, the best portfolio tracker and partner of Fun on the Ride. Thank you very much for using that link. Just 1 minute for a cat. This is not the first time we use this one, but it's so cute. And I needed today some energy for facing the weekend and see what will happen with Bitcoin. Of course, I will tell you on Monday here, where Crypto News, Rodrigo Arnedo, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!